We're gonna draw Buzz, the silly is the bee. It's Buzz away. Let's draw the eyes and then draw the little eyeballs. Draw the teeth with a smile. Draw the nose. Then you draw the antennas. Then you draw the flies, the wings. Then you draw the wings. And then you can draw the blast off thing, like she's a superhero. And then you can write Flyguy. Make blocky letters. Now I'm coloring the wings. I'm gonna color the face and the eyelids. And then I'm gonna draw the superhero dress. And then I'm gonna color it all up. Don't cover your shoes. Then I'm gonna add purple. Don't color up your shoes again. Then you color it over with blue, coloring the sky. Make sure you don't color the blocks. You have to go around it. Be careful not to mess it up. Just draw a circle around it. Now I'm coloring the blocky letters green, and then I'm gonna color the blocky letters black so I can see it on the blocky letters. Yeah, trace the outline. Buzz. His teeth are big, so don't make sure to color his teeth black. It's supposed to be white that way. He brushes his teeth.